Hi, it's Sanjeev from BVS Accounting. Let's talk about rental properties and how to effectively save taxes on them. Rent is generally taxed at the highest rate, so you must take into account your expenses. Mortgage interest. You can use depreciation, though when you sell the property, you'll have to recapture it. Any condo fees or any property taxes should be accounted for. Any maintenance, any cost to repair the asset can be accounted for, but that generally will be added to the capital cost and not an operating expense. Once you gain more properties, sometimes it's more beneficial to hold it in a holding company, but you then can start to charge management fees for your time, cell phones, gas, things like that. So definitely engage a professional, because again, this takes some planning, some organization to understand how to minimize the taxes for rental income, as it is taxed at the highest tax rate. So call us 416-697-6478 or email us info@bvsaccounting.ca.